Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Nissan Pathfinder with a dead key fob. First, understand that a dead key fob battery is a common issue, but it doesn't mean you're stranded. You'll need to locate the specific key slot or the push-button start area in your vehicle. Remember, the physical key hidden inside your fob is essential for manually unlocking the driver's door if the remote function isn't working. Once inside, the trick is to use the key fob itself to bypass the dead battery. Place the fob directly against the push-button start. This allows the vehicle's immobilizer system to read the embedded chip within the fob, even without battery power. With the fob in place, firmly press the brake pedal, then push the start button to engage the engine. This method works for most Nissan models. If the direct fob method doesn't work immediately, double-check that your Pathfinder is securely in park or neutral. Consulting your owner's manual can also provide model-specific guidance, as some vehicles might have slight variations. While this method gets you going, it's crucial to replace your key fob battery promptly to restore full functionality and convenience for future starts. To quickly recap, if your Nissan Pathfinder key fob is dead, first use the hidden physical key to unlock your door. Once inside, simply touch the dead key fob directly to the push-button start, then press the brake pedal and push the start button to get your engine running. This easy method will get you back on the road. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.